Okay, open VirtualBox. New virtual machine. Set the name. Okay, the default directory, Linux Ubuntu 64, next. Okay, at least use 2 gigabytes, but I recommend 4 gigabytes. Okay, and set here 4096 megabytes. 4096 megabytes, 4 gigabytes. Okay, next. Create virtual hard disks now. Create VDI. Fixed size. A fixed size hard disk file may take longer to create on some systems, but is often faster to use. Next. Okay, fix it. Next. The size according your requirements. I will use 20 gigabytes. Then create. Okay, here is my virtual machine, Ubuntu desktop 24.1. Go to settings, system, 4 gigabytes processor, use 3 or 4. I recommend at least 2, but I recommend 3 or 4. Okay, I will use 4. Display, and for display use for example 64 megabytes. For video memory, okay, go to storage, empty drive, insert the image, the ISO image. Okay, add and select this Ubuntu 20.04 desktop. Okay, is this, select this and choose. Very good, the ISO image. Now go to network. I recommend bridged adapter. Choose, in my case, the gigabit interface, cable connected, USB support 3.0. Okay, that is enough. Start the machine. Okay, select your language, in my case this, English, and install. Okay, your keyboard layout, I will use for example, use this in my case. This is my case. Okay, continue. Great. What applications would you like to install? Normal or minimal? Use normal to include web browser, utilities, office, software, games, and media players. Very, very nice. Other options, download updates while installing Ubuntu. Maybe if you have all the time, but in my case, you can download later. Continue. Installation type: erase disk and install or something else. Okay, use something else and continue. Now, this is your hard disk. Create a new partition table. Continue. Now you have the free space here, about 20 gigabytes, and click here to add a new partition. I will use the swap, for example, 1 gigabyte or 2 gigabytes. I will use 2 gigabytes, so use 2048 megabytes, that is 2 gigabytes. Primary beginning, and use for swap area. Okay, for a swap. Okay, select free space and click here to add the new partition. All the remaining space here, primary, beginning, ext4, and choose the root. Okay. And install now. Continue to confirm. Okay, select your location for the time zone. Okay, in my case here. We continue. Your name, full name, computer's name, username, and password twice. Okay, require my password to log in. Continue. Okay, may take a while. Restart now. Enter to remove the image. Enter. Okay, click here and password. Okay, skip this. Next, if you want to send information to canonical, if you want. Okay, next. By default, next, and done. Okay, very good, but you need you don't have the full screen, and insert on devices on VirtualBox, insert guest additions. Okay, and click here to run. Enter the password for your username. Okay, press return to close this window, enter. Okay, the software updater, remind me later. Okay, and start to apply changes. Power off, restart. Okay, click here, password. Okay, and now you can see the flexibility, full screen mode, switch. Okay, very good, amazing. Okay, full screen mode. Okay, VBox, eject the VBox guest additions. Full screen, switch. Open web browser, Firefox. Very nice. Okay, and very good message.